how to recover old Facebook account without email, password and phone number. So if you want to recover your old Facebook account without the email, password and phone number, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can open up your Google or your browser and go with your search. Under search, you can search for recover old Facebook account. Now tap on recover your Facebook account if you can't log in, which will take you to the help center. And now you need to scroll down and then tap on if you can't access the email or phone number on your account. And now again scroll down and tap on login identity, which is right here, facebook.com/login/identity. Or you can also try these steps. You can try using a different mobile phone number or email address which you might have forgotten are associated with your account. You can double check that you've entered your phone number or your email correctly at login. If you're entering a mobile number, try including the country code or try contacting the email provider to see if they can help you recover access to your email account. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can go with facebook.com/login/identity, and from here you can enter the mobile number to find your account, or you can also search by your email instead of your mobile number. Go with continue. Now you will have your account. So if you want to recover, tap on continue and tap on continue again. And if you've used the same device since you've created the account, then it will save the login information and you won't be able to enter the password, or you don't need to enter some password. It will automatically log you in. Or you can also go with get more help finding your Facebook account if you don't find the help with the login identity. You can go with get more help, which is written with the blue ink, and here it says that you can enter the username if you've created one. Your username is your personalized Facebook URL, and then see the email of your account and the mobile number if you've made it public, and it might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go with was this helpful, tap on no, tap on other, and here you can write hello Facebook team, I want to recover my old account and my account email and mobile number both are lost, but I can prove you some identity. You can upload some documents to prove that it's you trying to log into your account, and after that submit. After submitting, your problem might be. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.